Alright, I don't know, I'm trying to sell this house, and 2 Catholics told me, oh God, it's open. It's already been open. I don't know if that affects how it works. Anyway, I was told that if Zillow wasn't working, I could rely on heaven to sell the house, and specifically St. Joseph, who is Jesus's earth dad. And so the legend is that if you buy a St. Joseph statue and you plant him upside down in your yard and bury him, it'll sell your house real quick. And that's what all the reviews on Amazon said, so it must be true. So, alright, there's supposed to be other things in here. I hope I didn't get ripped off. There we go. Okay, alright. Let's see what we got. Okay, alright. Alright, that's what it looks like. That's St. Joseph. Let me see. Not exactly what I was expecting. Maybe a little bit bigger, but it was $7, so that's a deal to sell your house. Okay, so the story is that I think it's called the degradation of saints, that people used to threaten saints to do their biddings, and since Joseph taught Jesus how to be a carpenter, see his little, hold on, see a little, yeah, right there, toolbox, and always kept him well housed, that you could pray or threaten St. Joseph and he would sell your house for you. And everybody on the internet swears that this works, so we're gonna give it a go, because my house has been on the market for a week, and that's 6 days longer than I was willing to wait, so I got nothing to lose. So we'll put him there, and this is the instruction manual. Oh, it's long. I didn't think praying came with a lot of instructions. Okay, so it says, all right, this is the prayer card. This is what you're supposed to read once you bury him. And then there's some steps. It says, ask St. Joseph to intercede for you before the Lord. I don't know what that means. All right, number 2. Bury or place St. Joseph's statue on the property. Done. Bury the statue upside down with the feet pointing heavenwards. So we're going to aim for that. Some face it towards the home. Others face it away towards the new home. Well, I don't know where I'm going to live, so we'll just face it towards the home. The location varies, also near the for sale sign, in the backyard, in the corner, in a flower pot, favored by condo owners. So everybody's included. All right. When your house sells, it does not say if it sells for asking price. That is apparently not part of the promise. When your house sells, make sure to bring the statue with you to your new home and place it in a place of honor as a reminder to thank God. Okay, that seems simple enough. All right. And that's him. Yeah, see the resemblance? Okay. All right, so I need something to dig in the ground, and it's cold out, and I need to pray, and then I need to go to Sam's Club. So let's get to it. So at this point, you're supposed to pray, and this is long, and I'm not going to pray on camera. And I'm also going to add a couple things to this prayer, like quick closing and nothing scary on the inspection report and easy bank to deal with, because I think they forgot a couple important things. So I'm going to do this, and then I'm going to take this garden gnome that I don't use, and I'm gonna put him next to Joseph to keep him company.